boys and girls. Today we're going to have instructions to color some means of transport in your bridge book. Okay, so this is the book we are going to use, and the pages are 10 and 11. Okay, let's see what we have to do. As you can see, there is a building. In front of this building, there is a blue car. Next to the blue car, there is a red car. Okay? Next to the blue car, there is a red car. In front of the red car, there are two green cars. Two green cars. Behind the two green cars, there are two yellow cars. And behind the two yellow cars, there is an orange airplane. Okay? And to finish, in front of these two cars, there are two bikes. What color are the bikes? These two bikes in front of the cars are brown. Okay? That's all for today. It was very fast and very easy. Bye-bye.